Thank you very much. While researching some songs for this particular album, there was another song that pays tribute to my kupuna, and this song was written by two composers, Charles Cash and John Like, and the music set by Auntie Irmgard Varden Aluli. And I thank her very much for putting such beautiful melodies to such pretty songs. And this song speaks about 5 flowers of China. There were 5 sisters, Alai, Aima, Mihana, Aana, and Aoi. And these 5 flowers, or they're considered as petals of a single flower, were descendants of Chiefess Keawehiku. And here to present to you the hula interpretation, our lovely lady of hula, this is Kumuhula Lemo Miho.
Ke kupuna o ke ave
Well, all of this music wouldn't be possible without the support of such wonderful friends that are here on stage tonight and here to present the music in one mind, one heart, and most of all in one love. My very loving brothers on stage with me. On my far left, oh, it's the only left. This is Greg Sardina on steel guitar. On my very far right on ukulele, Mr. Brian Tolentino.
Hello.
And the man who keeps us, or tries to keep us all together, this is Christopher Kamaka.
Hello.
Okay, just to let you all know, you can find us every Monday nights at Poolside at the Sheraton Waikiki Hotel from 6 to 8:30 p.m. So, if you're not doing anything on Mondays, come down. And if you're doing something, cancel it and come down anyway. Okay? I'd like to feature the gentleman at this time. Naho aloha.
Take it away, Greg. Makapala-pala no ka chuku-chuku. Kahi kahului ke alahau a iwa luku. Kahi kahului chuku-chuku mua Hawaii.
Mr. Brian Tolentino.
Ki hana o ka ino he mai ka mo'ole lo chuku. Ai ko o ka kalani hope ka mea kokokona inoa. Ola he mai ana ki hana o ka ino he mai ka mo'ole lo chuku. Ai ko o ka kalani hope ka mea kokokona inoa. Kahi kahului ke alahau a iwai luku. Kahului chuku-chuku mua o Hawaii, a chuku-chuku mua o Hawaii.
Oh, we take you back to the island of Hawaii and we take you over to the easternmost point, a place known as Kumukahi. The song was written by Auntie Grace McBride and it speaks about her home that was once there, a place known as Kauai. The song goes out to all the people who are tuning in and who are from the area of Puna.
Kila kila
kono mai ana ia